Hey guys, ACF here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this paper snowflake. You'll need a square sheet of paper that is 9 by 9 centimeters. I'm going to mark 2.5 centimeters from the edge. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now fold the paper along these lines and stick these two sheets of paper together. Now measure 0.5 centimeters from both sides of the sheet and make foldings. Now open these foldings and open this paper. I'm going to fold this line inwards like this. Do the same thing on the other side. It's going to look like this. Now fold this sheet of paper into half and mark 2 centimeters from this side. Draw a line joining the 2 points. Now mark the center of this width. This is going to be 3 centimeters, so I'm going to mark a point at 1.5. Now I'm going to join these two dots and draw a line. Now at about 1 centimeter below, I'm going to draw a triangle that's about 0.8 centimeters. So I'm going to draw triangles. Now with the help of a scissors, I'm going to cut along the pencil lines. Don't cut along this line because it's just a reference line. It's going to look like this. Now I'm going to apply some glue along this and stick it together. You'll need 5 more such units. And I'm going to apply glue along the central line and stick one piece in the other. It's going to look like this. I'm going to apply some glue on this side too. And I'm going to bring these two sheets of paper together and stick them. So this is how our paper snowflake is going to look. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button for more art and craft content. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget the notification bell.